If you're looking to enhance love in your life, be it self-love, a stronger bond with a partner, or rekindling an old flame, consider trying a love jar spell, a mystical ritual that aims to attract various forms of love. To create your love charm, begin by writing the name of your love interest 3 times on a piece of paper, and as you do so, reflect on a fond memory of them, or think of how wonderful it would be to be together. Meditate on your intentions, whether for passion, commitment, or marriage, and write your ultimate wish for this relationship under your future partner's name. Then, fold the paper in thirds so it fits into a jar of honey, which symbolizes sweetness in your love life. Brew a cup of tea, sweeten it with honey, and repeat affirmations for love as you sip, reinforcing your desires. Finally, submerge your folded note in the honey jar, seal it, and bury it in your garden to empower your spell. Or, if burial isn't possible, keep it in a sacred place, like a keepsake box, hidden from view.